I think I messed up. I thought paradise was full. Then Saudi Arabia built entire islands with minimalist luxury. Now I want to move in.
The Red Sea project is flipping the script on luxury travel.
Shaybara Island. Desert Rock. Design-forward resorts marry high-end style with sustainability. Expect glass-bottom villas, coral-safe marinas, desert hikes ending at Michelin-level dining under stars. Travel just got easier. Qatar Airways now flies to Red Sea International Airport. So Doha is a quick hop away. Late autumn through spring, cooler temps, brilliant diving and snorkeling, perfect sunset hikes. Pro tip: many resorts are brand new. Founding rates, promo stays. Book early and you can snag a dream villa. Ready for a luxury escape that actually cares about the planet? The Red Sea is calling. Answer it.